Okay, so now we're gonna see a third type of helix. It's called the ribbon helix. So it's gonna come out in the form of a ribbon. So let's see what we have to do first. It's a left-hand helix, so anti-clockwise motion. Now this time we're gonna have two circles, not just one. The big circle of 35, small circle of 25. They're already drawn for us, so it's okay. But now we have a pitch of 100 millimeters and 2 revolutions. Remember, one pitch is for 1 revolution. So we're going to need 2 pitches. So you're going to draw 2 pitches. It's going to be 200 millimeters. Okay? Now, what we're going to do first, you're going to project horizontal lines only from the big circle. Okay? Leave the smaller circle alone. Even if it has some lines already projected from the smaller circle, ignore them. And draw a single line helix only from using the lines of the big circle. Okay? Once that has been completed, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to draw another single line helix. However, this time using only lines from the smaller circle. So you're going to do the numbers again here. Just so you don't get confused. If you feel like you don't need to, you don't need to. But I'd rather do them. Okay? And now you're going to project lines from the smaller circle. Now, pay attention especially when you're plotting the line, when you're plotting points, because since there are a lot of lines, it's going to get a bit confusing. Okay? So the first 2 lines are plotted. Let's plot the others. Here the lines on top of each other for number 10 and 4. Okay? Now, using these same divisions, using these same vertical lines, find, for example, number 1 with number 1. Now remember, you're using the horizontal lines only of the smaller circle. So pay attention, you don't get confused with the lines of the bigger circle. So, 1 with 1 over here. 2. 2's over here. 3. 4 lies on top of the bigger circle. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. And 12. And plot it. Draw the curve freehand. With LOCI, you're always drawing freehand through the points. Okay? Now, you join these 2 and these 2. Well, these 2 not yet. These 2 not yet. Not for now. Not these. Now, I've completed the ribbon. It looks like a ribbon, yes? Now, but I've only done 1 revolution, 1 pitch. So, for the other one, I don't need to create a whole new division of a line and plotting the numbers against numbers. Open your compass to 1 pitch. To 1 pitch. Okay? Like this. Okay? Go from each point you have. Now this point will meet at this point, yes? Go from each point you have. If I were you, I'd pick 1 helix and start with that one. Then I'd go for the other helix. Don't try to do both at the same time. It's gonna get confusing otherwise. Make sure you're remaining on the proper line. Now, see what I did? I went for the smaller one. Okay. Join them. Okay. So now you have 2 revolutions of the bigger circle. Now we're gonna do the second revolution of the smaller one. And join the end. Okay? And there you have 2 revolutions of a ribbon helix.